At CGHMC Dr. James D. Wound Healing and Diabetic Foot Center, we provide the utmost assistance and treatment for our patients with chronic non-healing wounds. We firmly believe in this. Save limbs, saves lives. Our work does not stop when the wound is cleaned and dressing changed. Through Sugat Mo, Sagot Ko, we teach the patient and their caregiver how to change the dressing and do a proper care of the wounds. We assure our patients that after the treatment in the hospital, they will be able to understand the healing process of their wounds.
Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy is highly accessible in our center. Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy involves breathing pure oxygen in a pressurized environment. In a hyperbaric oxygen therapy chamber, the air pressure is increased 2 to 3 times higher than normal air pressure. When your blood carries this extra oxygen throughout your body, this helps fight bacteria and stimulate the release of substances called growth factors and stem cells, which promote healing. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is a well-established treatment. This is for enhanced healing in selected problem, wounds such as diabetic foot, gas gangrene, crush injury, compartment syndrome, acute peripheral ischemias, necrotizing soft tissue infections, osteomyelitis, delayed radiation injury with soft tissue and bony necrosis, compromised skin grafts and flaps, carbon monoxide poisoning, air or gas embolism, decompression sickness, and exceptional blood loss anemia.
As much as possible, we provide optimum care and assistance from assessment to treatment. We make sure to use modern equipment and dressing so that our patients can be treated as quickly, as effectively, and as comfortably as possible. With our dedicated and reliable physicians and nurses, we ensure our patients faster and comfortable healing. The center is composed of multidisciplinary team with different specialized doctors that you can be easily referred to for the management of the hard-to-heal wounds. We fully assist and comprehensively provide treatment for patients with complex wounds. Patients will always have the assurance of getting proper treatment.